Best 6 Amazon Photography Products. If you're into buying and selling products, Amazon is the best place to do that on the internet today. That said, finding your niche on this popular marketplace can be tricky if you're new to it or don't know how to separate the good from the bad when it comes to online sellers. We've got your back with our Best 6 Amazon Photography. Take your shots to the next level with innovative modes like Active HDR and 6K widescreen mode. 2. Doorbell. See them arrive in full HD. Get a crisp 1080p grade view of anyone who approaches your front door. The advanced WDR and 4:3 aspect ratio ensures you get a color-accurate, head-to-toe image every time. 120-day front door security. The wire-free video doorbell and Wi-Fi chime form a closed, low-power wireless connection allowing for 120 days of flawless front door coverage from a single charge. No subscription required. Review what you missed for up to 180 days, and share videos and photos with live view. 5 mini camera drone. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Seriously Pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K 60 FPS video and 48 megapixels photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. 6. Barcode scanner. Plug and play. No need to install any software or